What is up guys, Andy, Forestine Runner here, back with another video. Tonight is the Tuesday night, it's the Forestine Athletic Club Autumn Mile. Some of you guys that have been following along with the vlogs will know we've got a track race tonight. I don't do track races normally, in fact I've only ever run 3. This one last year and the Spring Mile last year, so I haven't done a track race in a year. I have already also run 7 miles today, so my legs are a little bit tired, and that was about lunchtime, so it's only been about 6 hours since I've last run. So my legs are a little bit tired. Having said that, I'm excited. Not going for any time, just gonna go out and have a blast, feel the pain, see what we can do. The time when I did it last year was 5:36. I think if I hadn't run today, you know, I would have been hoping for, and I was feeling a bit fresher, maybe low 5:20s. I'd like to think I've improved. But tonight we're just going to go and see how we go. To be honest with you guys, a PB would be nice, but I'm not too worried about it. Just want to go and have a blast, get some speed in, do a speedy race, have some fun. It's going to be a short and sweet vlog tonight, guys. Let's go and enjoy the ride. Right guys, Forestine Autumn Mile done. Look at the state of me. The weather is not very nice today. It wasn't too bad, it was just very windy, and on the top end of the track it made it a bit hard, but we had a blast. It was good fun. Managed to get 5:30, new PB, delighted with that. Had a good heat. There were 2 sub 6 minute mile heats, so it went like a 10-minute mile heat, a 9, 8, 7, 6. There were 2 6 and under heats. I managed to come second in my heat. Had a really good race. Just long story short, sat back just after the running that we've already done today. Kind of kept up with Lee, who I ran with the 10k, tried to sit behind him, kept up with him. Last lap came, last 400 meters, kicked, had a strong-ish last 400, kicked around, came from 6th all the way up to 2nd. Couldn't quite catch the leader, he sprinted off, but had a really good race. Really enjoyed that. Wet, soggy, need to go home for a shower, but great fun. Hopefully there will be some pictures in between. I didn't get to film any of it, but if not, oh sorry guys. So anyway, that's it. Second race of autumn done. Really enjoyed it, good fun, something different. Now for the Forestine Half Marathon. As always guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share and subscribe, and I will see you later this week for my favourite YouTube channels part 3. Until next time.